Hello everybody. In the current affairs this week, the week ended 24th of November 2024. This week, the scene was dominated by two major news items. The first being the indictment of the Adani group, wherein the directors of the group and also its corporate entities have been indicted by the US courts. This event led to its impact on the Adani Group stocks on the Indian stock markets, as also it led to an understanding and learning for the companies and who are planning to go global, that whatever happens in any part of the world in respect of that company might impact their fortunes in any other part of the world also. This would rather make all these corporates more and more responsible in their actions. The other piece of news, and very important, which came on the last day of the week, was the announcement of the results of the Maharashtra elections. In Maharashtra, the BJP-led alliance has gained power, and that too in a very decisive way. This is something which is very important from the economic front, because Maharashtra is a state where the financial capital and the major financial nerve center of the country, which is Mumbai, is situated. So a state government in this particular state also matters for the national economic scene. Moreover, this result has led to an affirmation in the confidence which was with the central government and the BJP government, and giving and making them little more stronger in taking economic steps which are in national interest. This is important in the light of the fact that the Lok Sabha elections gave a little lesser mandate to the BJP and its allies than what it was expected. So on the economic scene, people started fearing that this kind of a little diluted mandate might slow down the course of economic reforms in the country. But results like the one which we got in Maharashtra might lead to an affirmation that the economic progress and taking of hard decisions in the national interest would definitely continue in the times to come. The stock markets this week, Nifty 50 was up by more than 1.5%, and so was the Nifty Mid Cap, which was also up by more than 1.5%. The Nifty Small Cap was up by around 6%, and the FIIs and DIIs balanced out, wherein FIIs were sellers to the extent of 11,000 crores plus, and DIIs were buyers to the extent of 11,000 crores plus. So the selling by the FII still continues. On the global commodity front, crude and gold appreciated by more than 5% each, and silver appreciated by more than 3% this week. The US markets, Nasdaq and S&P 500, were both positive by more than 1.7% each. China, which was expected last month, especially in the month of October, that these markets will do very well on account of the kind of valuations which the Chinese market holds, and the FIIs also were buyers in the Chinese market. But the fact remains that this week that market, especially the Hang Seng, was down by 1%, and on a month-to-date basis, it is down by 6%. So the fear that Chinese markets might do well and sell India, buy China might be the strategy of the FIIs is no more something which is going to be in vogue. This week, I also wanted to talk about two companies and their results and their plans. And that is a learning for everybody who is an India watcher. Indian Hotel Company Limited, which runs the Taj Group of hotels, which is a part of the Tata Group, said that by 2030 we'll be doubling our revenues and we'll be running 700 hotels. So this is the kind of reflection of what India is going to be in the times to come. The another company which I would like to talk about is the way the Birlas have disrupted the paints market. The Birla Opus Paint series has actually disrupted the paints industry in such a way that within no time they are the second largest manufacturers of paints in the country, and they have now 4 plants up and running in just last not more than a couple of years. So this is the kind of disruption which can be caused by a new incumbent with a strong background, and this might disrupt an existing player like Asian Paints, who have been ruling the market since several years and decades. This is all for this week. Thank you.